What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I extremely apologize that I couldn't upload the Sneaker Sunday series in the past 2 weeks because I was hell occupied with work yaar. Don't worry, I'm gonna upload all the sneaker videos on Sundays going forward. Maybe not on every Sunday, but yes, the series is gonna continue. But I got a cherry on the top in this particular video. That's this particular jacket that I recently got from Levi's. It's a Levi's x Super Mario collaboration. Before getting into details of these two products, I'll give you a very small story and a disclaimer. None of these products are sponsored from Levi, so they have sent it to me. I'm not that big of an influencer. One of my subscribers and also one of the guys on Instagram DM'd me and asked me, यार तुम इतने ज़्यादा Levi's के कपड़े पहनते हो, ब्रांड तुम्हें फ्री में बेचता है? तो नहीं यार, ब्रांड मुझे फ्री में नहीं बेचता है. ये मैंने ही खरीदे हैं अपने पैसों से. But yes, I would like to mention over here my friend Parag, who works in Levi's, who helps me get the news of all these cool stuff and also sometimes helps me to get my hands in an early access of such cool products. He didn't help me for the Jordans, but thanks a lot for this particular jacket. I really like it. And now let's move further into the video, guys. But wait, just one second. I think I missed out one thing, and that was, if you watched the video till here and not subscribed my channel, please do that, guys. It gives me great support and it makes me motivated every single day to continue and come back for you all with another video. So if you can just spare 1 second and go down there, press that red little button of subscribe. It will be really helpful for me to grow. Okay, now let's continue the video and talk about these two products. First, I'm going to talk about the jacket. So here it is. So guys, I've tried this jacket on myself. Do let me know in the comment section, what do you think? Even if you don't like it, you can mention it. But then, now let me tell you why I like it personally. As kids यार, we had a lot of memories, like a lot of things that we loved collecting. आप लोगों से बहुत सारे लोगों ने Tazos collect किए होंगे, बहुत सारे लोगों ने Stamps collect किए होंगे, बहुत सारे लोगों ने Dave बहुत खेला होगा, Pokemon खेला होगा, and Mario again is one of those childhood memories यार, जो मेरे साथ तो बहुत ही strongly जुड़ी हुई है. That's the sole reason I bought this jacket यार. मुझे काफी सही लगा. All the patches and all the characters which are there reminds me of those golden memories. And again, this particular silhouette of jacket in denims I was not having in my collection. अगर आपने मेरा एक वीडियो नहीं देखा है जहाँ पर मैंने एक ग्लिम्स दिया था कि मेरे पास कितने जैकेट है, तो यहाँ आई बटन पे लिंक आ रहा है, आप जाके देख सकते हो. And if you want I should do a dedicated video for all the jackets that I've got, then obviously comment section में बताओ and I'll do it for you all यार, why not? So that's the story of this particular jacket. बहुत गर्मी हो रही है मुझे. Actually बैंगलोर में बहुत अच्छा है, but then I think I can't continue the video. So let me just take this off and then come back with the sneaker for you all. So guys, now let's just unbox this sneaker for you all. And by the way, this is not a brand new sneaker यार, मैंने इसको बहुत बार पहना है. पर मेरी एक आदत है, whenever I unbox a sneaker, I put it back in the box because next time when I'm gonna wear it, I feel it's again gonna be very fresh and new. आप लोग मुझे जरूर बताना, आप लोग अपने शूज कहाँ रखते हो, रैक में या बॉक्सेस में? मैं तो बॉक्सेस में ही रखता हूँ. So coming back, let's unbox it. Here it is, and this is Levi's X Jordan 4. That's what it's called. And सबसे अच्छी बात पता है इस स्नीकर की क्या है? वो यही है कि ये पूरा का पूरा स्नीकर is made of Levi's denim. Even the tongue has a very sexy tag, I can say, of Jordan over here. And also at the back there is a Levi's tag with Air Jordan. There are actually two versions of this particular sneaker when it was launched in 2018. One was in the white, one was in the black. There's another one that is Levi's X Jordan Denims, which is in blue color. I desperately wanted that one, but that's shit expensive. I couldn't afford that. So I had to compromise a bit and get this one. But then I equally love this pair as well because किसी भी outfit के साथ, किसी भी particular style के साथ, this sneaker will stand out. Black again is one of the sneakers, and there's no light. There's no light now. Shit. Power is back and resuming the video where I left. This sneaker again is one of my top 3 sneakers if you ask me. Just one of the reason because इसका जो silhouette and pattern है वो बाकी सारे sneakers से बहुत different है और मुझे बहुत पसंद है. इसके साथ एक ये tag भी आता है जो मुझे काफी सही लगता है. It's just a normal denim tag that you get at the back, but it has a Levi's logo and a Jordan logo. A lot of people actually put this tag and carry, but I find it a bit awkward to carry it that way. There's very subtle Jordan branding at the back also of it, which is embossed with the pattern. I'm not sure if it's very much visible to you. This is also very nice. मेरा तो बहुत ही पसंदीदा और फेवरेट स्नीकर है ये. अगर आपको भी ऐसा कोई स्नीकर चाहिए, you wanna get your hands on this particular sneaker, unfortunately again it's not available in India. You have to try resellers in India or some of the websites which ship to India with duties. 40-50% ड्यूटीज लगती है. I think I'll drop the link in the description. आप लोग देख लेना वहाँ पे कितने का है. Get your hands onto them. Fair enough, you guys can definitely try your luck. I think that's it, guys. Now let me just style this jacket and this sneaker for you all together, and then you have a look and tell in the comment section कि आपको ये jacket कैसा लगा और आपको ये sneaker के साथ मेरा पूरा look कैसा लग रहा है. So have a look and then let's end the video. That's it from this video, guys. If you've watched the video till here, please do press that like button. Also hit the subscribe if you haven't. You can follow me on Instagram. The handle is going to be right here. My name is Mid Spectrum over there. Please do follow me over there for daily updates, what I do. Now I'm going to come back on Sunday with another Sneaker Sunday for you all, which is going to be about Dragon Ball Z. So stay tuned on the channel. Until then,